What's going on, guys? We are back, and it is now full team of the year time. We have all 11 players in packs right now, and we have got our Foot Champs rewards, and we also have our weekly rewards. So hopefully we can get a pool that's worth decent. It's worth celebrating. So we will get straight into this, and we will cut to when we have the packs in our pools. Right. As you can see here, we got gold 3 in the end. I was having some connection issues, but overall I was playing rubbish. So hopefully from these player picks we can pull like a Neymar, a Benzema, someone like that. That'd be great. So let's have a little look how we do. Come on. Oh, that is terrible. I'm just going to take the highest rated of the three. That was awful. Come on, hopefully the second one makes up for it. Oh, no, it doesn't. Take the highest rated again. They were some awful red player picks. Probably my worst of the year so far. But now it's time to get into the packs, and we have quite a few packs. I think 14 packs to get through, and at the end we have the 25 lots of 83 plus players. So we'll get into this. Come on, we want something out of this. Come on. No, it's a non-rare, which isn't surprising from these jumbo gold packs. No, nothing in here. I'm not expecting much out of these jumbo gold packs. They never really give us much. Yeah, it's another non-rare there. These packs are awful. Oh, the servers are very slow today. Come on. We want to see that purple flare. That's what we want to see. Oh, that was a board. That was an inform, I think. But we just want to see the walkout up. There was an inform, 76 rated. And some company. It's a legend right there, or an icon. On back-to-back actual rare players in these jumbo gold packs. That's decent. Let's just put him up there for the moment. Because we can always craft some more packs for over the weekend. Go on. It's not a board. Just let you all know, I will be streaming over the weekend on my Twitch, which will be down in the description. So make sure you go down, you drop a follow, and you tune in, because we will have some good FIFA content this weekend. Come on. Oh, not a board again. Quite a few players in this though. Oh, the servers are very slow today. So what have we got? We'll get on to the mega packs next. Before going to the Premier League. Actually, we'll do that after this one, the Premier League Premium Players pack. It's not a board in the mega pack. First mega pack. Milik, the best player, I think. Yeah. Right, let's get into this Premier League Premium Players pack. I've seen some people pull some decent things out of these, but whether we can is another question. Nah, not even a board. We'll get onto the mega packs, finish up the mega packs before getting to the 50Ks, 50K, 100K, and then the 25, lots of 83 plus players. Hopefully we can pull some in throughout these. So onto the mega packs. Come on, we want to see that walkout. That's what we really want to see. So those walkouts. 2 boards in that one. Come on, surely some of these can be tradable. Can have duplicates that are tradable. Come on. Come on. Let's see that purple flare. That's what we really want to see. That walkout and then purple flare. No. It's another boards. We don't want the boards though. All we want is those walkouts. We want to see that Team of the Year purple flare. Instead we get Onana. Let's just move all these up there. And then we got the 50k, the 100k, and then the 25, 83 plus players. Come on, we want to see no walkout again, but it's another board, so I think that's an inform. That is not. It's John Matip. Right. Now we're on to the bigger packs now. We've got the 50k, the 100k, and the 25, 83 plus rare players. So hopefully we can get a pull. See that walkout and that purple flare. Come on. No. So boards again, I think. Skipped a bit quick there that I didn't quite see. Yeah, it was a boards. Let's just quick send them. So we got the 100k now, so come on. Come on, we want to see a walkout here. Come on, let's get that walkout. No. It's not even a boards, I don't think. It wasn't even a boards. Oh, there was boards in there. But that was still terrible. Come on. Now we got the 25, 83 plus players. This is where all the hope goes down to. We'll do it with the nose pack as well, see if that gives us a bit of luck. Come on. This is where we're really putting our hopes into. Come on. Come on, it's opening. Come on. Come on, I want to see a walkout. A walkout. Oh, it's not blue. It's an inform. Brazil. Oh, no. Oh, that's Kostic. Kostic, I mean. Oh, that's so disappointing. Oh, come on. Oh, two informs. Ah, there wasn't even Neymar and Modric in there as well. Ah, that's painful. We got Goretzka, which means that's some coins there. Ah, right, we will go put these into a pack because we don't want to waste the ratings of these players. But I will sort those out in a little bit. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure to check out my Twitch down in the description because I will be streaming over the weekend. Hope you enjoyed this video. Unfortunately, we couldn't pull a blue or anything, but we did make some alright pulls. Nothing great, but I will see you in a bit. Peace.